How to recover deleted messages on WhatsApp. So the first what you need to do is so simple and easy. We will not going to download other applications, but we're going to use some methods and tricks of the WhatsApp itself. So let's go and open WhatsApp application. And then here, once you're in this page, tap on these three dots up to the right button, and then choose settings. In here, you will be directed to this page. So what we're going to do is to follow it up. We'll go and click on chats, and then next to these options, go down and choose Chat Backup. You can find it between Keep Chats Archived and Transferred Chats. So click on Chat Backup. And here, you're going to click on Backup to Google Drive. Click on it and make it daily. You can even make it monthly, weekly, or even never. But I'm going to choose daily. And then here, you can click on Backup. As you can see, the last time Google was backed up is yesterday at 4:30 a.m. So let's say that the message was deleted on 3 or even 2.5. Then once you click on backup, you will get the backup for the last chats on the last 24 hours at 4:30 a.m. And that's how you can find the deleted messages on WhatsApp. Don't forget to like the video, subscribe to the channel. Also, let me know down in the comments below if this video was helpful, and thanks for watching.